hash code method. Okay, same prototype at parent class and child class. Parent class and child class, these two methods are called as overriding. Okay, some terminology, don't focus on terminologies, focus on concept, how internally they are working. If you follow this trick, this technique, overriding overloading concept will be dead simple. Now observe, when it will write object class method if parent class method prototype and child class method prototype same. If parent class and child class prototypes are same, then only it will take this object corresponding class hash code, that is instance method. This method will be written within this object. This is the proof. Okay, now I'm going to use this same knowledge, dead simple. Now observe, now everything is dead simple, friends. Okay, everything is dead simple. Observe, now everything is what? Dead simple. Okay, now observe, I have taken one class A which extends thread and one main method. I created an object. This object creation gives meaning to us defining a thread, that is creating a thread. But I didn't start. To start I have to depend upon start method. Through inheritance I am getting that creation of thread ability. Because of this one and because of extends thread I am getting that ability internally getting. Now observe, because of this statement at runtime what happens, please don't do mistakes. Here a1 object is there, instance variable is being as part of object. Getting? Now what happens here? What happens here? What happens? All instance methods available to a1 class will be available, will be written within object. Now observe, now do I have any method, instance method within this class? No, but let me write one instance method, public void run method. Observe, thread class is having public void run method. Now in a class also I have taken public void run method. Okay, public void run method. Same prototype in child class, public void run method, public void run method. In object class and in a1 class, child class, same prototype methods. Getting? Now which method? Observe here, in thread class also you are having one run method in source code, and in object class source code also you are having hash code method. If child class method prototype means I have said that access modifier, return type, method name, arguments, throws, keyword. Okay, now if both, that is prototypes are same, both parent class and child class prototypes, at runtime which method will be written within the object means simple thing, it depends upon object name. Object class method only will be written within object. Okay, observe, now I have written a run method. A is what? Child to whom, friends? Class thread, and this class is having public void start method also. Okay, it is having start method also. Observe this part, whatever parent is having by default available to child. If you are having doubt means I'll do one small thing here. Okay, I'll do a small thing. Our object class is having one method called get class method. Okay, it's having some implementation. Even that method will be written here, guys. Okay, by our JVM. So if I put SOP of a dot get class, it's having return type as class. Okay, so let me put that one as argument to this method. What happens now? It will return class a1 like that output. All instance methods will be available, okay, within this object. I don't have space to write all the 11 methods here. I'm just writing only wanted methods. Okay, observe. Now observe, in the scope of this class A, please observe, do you have any instance methods within this A object? Yes, I have one method, that is public void run method having implementation as what? Hello. Yes or no? Yes. Now through inheritance, this A class can get methods of parent or not. Observe, but it is explicit parent class. Here A1 is having default parent class, even this A is having that default parent class. No need to confuse, here I have taken explicit parent class, here it is default parent class. Now observe here, whatever parent is having, those methods will be available here or not? Yes. Now thread class is having what? Two methods, start method, run method, but this parent class run method prototype and child class run method prototype both are same. Observe here, if child class method prototype and parent class method prototype is same, means at runtime which method will be written in object? Our object class method only, that is which object you created, that object class method only will be maintaining within object. Okay, now observe, now run, thread class run method, our run method, so our run method maintain within object. Okay, you understand, right? Now still you are having start method, public void start method also available. Within this start method of thread class, what is logic? Logic to execute a thread, logic to execute a thread by using run method of current object. Please, this will be a tricky thing, by using run method of current object. Okay, logic to execute a thread by using the run method of current object at memory. This logic will be brain eating thing. I will make it simple, just focus for a while. Now this thing has been created. Now what I am doing, I am making this object to refer with small a. Okay, I am making this object to refer by small a. Just observe, can I call a dot start method? Yes, available here, right? Observe how a dot hash code, a dot get class methods, a dot get class, a dot hash code methods are true in our earlier case. This is also the same thing. Okay, now observe, a dot start. Friends, observe, do I have that start method? No. From where my object is getting that method? From its parent. Getting at runtime, JVM will maintain. Now this code is executing, right? Whatever the code you are having here, the same code you are executing here, right? Yes, we are executing same code. Now a dot start, this logic is executing. Observe here, this logic is executing. What is the starting a thread logic? By using what? Run method of current object or existing object. Observe here, current or existing object. Simple thing. Just a minute, I want to use this knowledge. Now observe, now observe, int I equals to 99. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, now observe this part. Okay, observe this part, a dot hash code method, leave it. Okay, now where is m1 is available at runtime within object? Where m1 object is available at memory within object only, right? Yes. Where I is available within object only, right? Observe, can I access here SOP of I? Yes, no issues, you can access. Both are available in the same boundary, I mean within the same closed area, no issues, you can use. Okay, so if I put here SOP of I, no issues. If I execute, double line, hello, double line, and -9 will be the output, friends. Even if you want, you can execute, no issues. Observe here where I is available within object, where M1 method is available at runtime, that also within object. So directly I can access, that's why SOP of I. So no compile time error, it will give double line here. Observe here, let me put that code and execute. Just a minute, friends. Okay, now within this M1 method, put what? System dot out dot println of I. Okay, now take this public int hash code method. Here what I am doing, return -9. So let me compile this piece of code. Double line, hello. Observe, friends. Okay, observe what will be the output, double line, hello, double line, -9. Okay, why? Observe, don't do anything. If such type of codes are existing, means to you write this pictorial representation, dead simple. Now what happens, same prototype method available in parent class and in the in child class and in the parent class. Now which method will be written within object, child class method, because of object. This is what, child class object, right? Yes, this object corresponding class method only will be written within this object. Okay, do you believe or not? Yes, this is the very big proof, challenging proof to us. Okay, observe here. Now let me compile this one. Okay, execute this one. Yes, double line, hello, double line, I'm accessing this one, no issues. Now one small thing, friends. Okay, now one small thing, where is hash code method available with, where, I mean here at which position or at which at where this hash code method is available? It is also available within the object only, and even M1 method also available within object only. Now observe, can I put here M1 method? Yes, put, no issues, both are within the object. This is called as existing object or current object for this method hash code, for this method M1, existing object. This object is called as existing object or current object, for whom M1, existing object or current object, technical terms, friends. Okay, existing or current object. Now what will be the output? Here I am writing what? M1. Once again, what is the output, friends? Hello, double line. Observe here, hello, double line, -9, double line, hello, double line, hello, double line, -9. Meaning is what? I can call other instance method within other instance method if it is within the object. Okay, observe, let me compile and show the proof to you. Okay, what is that? Here call M1 method. Okay, let me compile and let me run this one. Okay, observe, yes, hello, I mean double line, hello, double line, hello, double line, -9. Friends, what I am doing here, I know this M1 method available within this object, I know hash code method available within this object. I am calling directly M1 method here. Yes, no issues, we can call. Observe, in the same way the logic here also there. Start method calling existing object, I mean run method of existing object. Observe here, for start method, observe here, for M1 method which is existing object or current object, this object. Okay, observe, this is the existing object. Observe, for start method it is having logic to start the thread. by using run method of current object or existing object. Run method of existing or current object at memory. Now for this start method, which is existing object, this one, within this object do you have run method? Yes sir. What is that? Run method having implementation as what? Hello. Why this run method is available within this object? Because I have written the same method, that is parent class having run method. With that same prototype, I have written one more method in my child class. Okay, now you created child class object. This object class run method only will be available within the object. So what will be the output now? What will be the output if I execute, if I compile and execute this piece of code, friends, please? Hello. Am I calling anywhere run method? No, but start method internally calling. This is starting a thread. This is the thread, friends. This is the thread. Okay, this will execute concurrently now. This will get execute concurrently. I will show you that will get execute concurrently. Multi-threading means what? Having n number of loops. What are those? If two independent are there, means I will make one thread to execute this one at 6 AM and I will make this part to get execute at 6 AM. It will take 6 to AM to give output. This also 6 to AM. Concurrently both are starting at the same time and giving output at the same time. Okay, this is what defining and starting a thread. Okay, simple thing. Let me compile it. I will show you one small output also. Why these two outputs are executing in concurrent way. I will show one thing. Okay, now let me compile this and show to you. Okay, just observe. So let me take class A and let it be as what? Extends thread. Okay, now take public static void main method string args. Okay, now take one public void run method. Okay, put what is that? System dot out println of hello. Okay, let it be hello. Okay, now A equals to new A. Now A dot start. How these methods are available? Observe those pictorial representations, concepts. Now compile tester.java. One second. What is this? Extends thread. Okay, 9 errors interface A equals to new A. 1 second, friends. Okay, here I have used 4 ellipses. Okay, no issues. Compile it and now run this one. What is the main method? Corresponding class name. This is capital A. Okay, not A1 here. Okay, observe. Yes, hello. Who is calling this method? This run method. Observe. This run method is calling this. Start method is calling run method of existing object. For start method, this is the existing object. Within this existing object, what is run method? This one. Getting? Now observe, this is what defining the thread. Now to know both the threads are executing concurrently, I do one small thing. Okay, here maintain one for loop. Okay, int I equals to 0, I is less than equals to 9, okay, system dot out dot println Anil comma I plus plus. Okay, earlier code. Okay, now for of int I equals to 0, I is less than equals to 9, SOP of Nani, let it be I plus plus. Now let's see what will be the output. Okay, observe. Now let's see the output. Okay, now what is that? For of, 1 second, for of int I equals to 0, I is less than equals to 9, system dot out dot println of Anil comma I plus plus 1 null statement. Okay, now let me observe here. Let me take here nani. Okay, now let me compile and execute both the codes. Observe here, friends. Okay, observe 1 second. Okay, observe. Okay, it's not giving that output. Actually both the threads should get work concurrently. Okay, I'm not getting that output. No issues. This is what our defining and starting a thread. Okay, now observe here. We will discuss. I said that by using multi-threading we can improve our application execution speed, right? Yes, we can improve. I will show that one to you now. Okay.